What happens to my Gmail messages when they are deleted? Now, this is not a complex issue, but there are some specifics that are worth understanding. And I'm going to speak to using Google Workspace or Gmail through two tools and two tools only, either through the web interface or through the mobile app. I'm not going to speak to using Outlook or some third-party interface tool. In this video, I'm going to share with you the context of inbox, sent items, all mail, spam, and trash. Because the bottom line, all the messages you get and all the messages you send are in all mail or they are in spam or trash. They can't be in both, any one of all three. They're either in all mail, they're in spam, or they're in trash. That's the bottom line. Now, if they're in all mail, here, I click on all mail. There's that message right here. I'm looking at all mail. There's the message right here that's also in my inbox. This one also is in my inbox right here, inbox. There it is. It's in my inbox. Now, if I delete it, now remember, it's in all mail. If I delete it from all mail or inbox, select it, I'm gonna hit delete. It goes out of the inbox, it goes out of all mail, and it's now in trash right there. Now, if I bring it back, if I undelete it, which means move it back to my inbox, there it is in the inbox, and also there it is in all mail. All your messages sent and received that are not spam or trash are in all mail. So if I select that message and I use this button here to archive it, now it's no longer in inbox, but if I come down here to all mail, it's still there in all mail. Because again, if it's in inbox or sent or important or drafts, any one of these, inbox, important, sent, or draft, it's also in all mail. It doesn't need to, if you archive it, then it takes it out of all of this and leaves it in all mail. Now, let's go back to the bigger question. What happens if let me put this back in the inbox. Let me select this, put it back. Where's my button? Move to inbox. Okay, so there it is in the inbox. Now, if I delete it, it's no longer in inbox. It's no longer in all mail, but is now in trash. Now, what's going to happen to it there? It says to right here, it tells me very clearly, tells me right here, messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will automatically be deleted. This message right here has been in trash, I don't know how long, but when it reaches 30 days in trash, it'll go away. All of these messages right here, each one at a time, if they've been in here for 30 days, they'll get deleted unless I empty trash now, and then they all go away. One more point. All of my messages that are in spam, no matter how they got there. If I got a message here and I mark these messages right here, I mark them as spam. Where's spam? Spam. Mark spam and unsubscribe. Let's just report spam, not unsubscribe. Now, if I go look at my spam, there's those messages I just put in spam. Again, what happens to them in 30 days? Every time a message has been here for 30 days, it'll get deleted, then deleted, then deleted. And again, it's when they are moved to spam for more than 30 days, they will get deleted unless I delete all spam messages now. Now, here's the other side of this. The other side, this is very clear. Let's see, report not spam, put it back. Once they are deleted from spam, or deleted from trash, they are no longer available to you. Let me repeat this. This is critical. Once they are deleted from spam or deleted from trash, they are permanently gone unless you have a Google Workspace account and you have some form of document retention, or you're using a third-party app that replicates the messages in some way. But bottom line, from a web browser or from the Gmail app, if they're in spam or in trash and deleted, again, without some retention program, which most people don't have, they are completely gone. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this makes sense because it's well worth understanding.